Atma Dharma. Atma Dharma, Varnashram Dharma was established. But Krishna never come only for this. Yuga Dharma can come and establish these things. Then why Krishna came? To Dharma Sansthapan. What that Dharma was? Not Varnashram Dharma, not Yuga Dharma, not Manvanta Dharma, not Atma Dharma. Because so many has established before that. Ramchandra had established all these things. But why Krishna came? Then what he has told to Narad Rishi, and Narad Rishi had told to Vyasdev. What? Janama dasya jataha. No? In first canto, first sloka. Janama dasya jataha. Janma adi rasa. From where adi ras means Sringar ras, Braj ras came. To establish this very thing. This is only the job of Krishna. Nothing else. Other did? Who killed Kansa? Mahavishnu. Who fought the Mahabharata Yuddha? Mahavishnu. It was his duty. Krishna never leaves Vrindavan, always making their devotees happy. Dwarkadhish Krishna and Mathuresh Krishna can be worshipped by devotees. But Brajesh Krishna only serving his devotees, not by served. Always playing with Brajavasi males and females. Sometimes bringing the shoes of his father. Sometimes doing this and that. Stealing butter. Sometimes weeping like this. Mother, don't beat me. I am what?
I am innocent.
I am innocent and I am taking oath that I will never do like this. You know the relations of Krishna and gopis. No? We think that Krishna is also more superior than gopis. Oh, it is right. But who Krishna called gopis to dance, or gopis came automatically and they dance with Krishna? Understand what my question?
Yes, Krishna called.
Krishna was unhappy. He was lacking something. Gopis never lacking anything. So they were very happy in their houses everywhere, chanting, remembering. But Krishna was feeling some lackness in him. He is ocean of rasa, but ocean was there, rasa was dried. So he wanted to take bath in ocean of rasa, and that is why on full moon he played on flute, "Oh Radhe, oh Lalite Vishakhe, you should come and save me." That is all gopis. Okay. In rasa, it seems from outside that gopis are searching Krishna. Where is Krishna? Where? And they became mad. But the deep, if you will go, you will see that not that thing. What that thing? That Krishna is feeling so much separation, and he is sitting in Imlitala in Vrindavan. And he became, from black, yellow he became, thinking what? Where is Radha? Where is Radha? Where is Radha? No? So always Krishna searching, decorating, following the footsteps of gopis. Sometimes giving his arms on the neck of gopis. Oh, save me. Why save me? Krishna wants love and affection. He does not want to hear the Ved and Stava and Stuti of Brahma and all others. He wants to hear that any gopi is chastising him. Very good. And again he will come.